Hi. Hi. Are you doing tummy time? How good are you at it?
So good.
So good.
For about the first minute. And then it's time to cry and scream and be upset.
Hi. Yeah. Where's my pretty smile? Not there. Ooh, what are those? What are those? That's my hand.
Good for sucking on.
This is my hand. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. I know. I saw it too. You gonna come get it? Come get it. You can do it. You can scoot. Audrey. She's really focused.
You're wearing out her brain.
You ready for your nap? Yeah. Oh, that's my girl. What is that?
Is that your silly mom?
Where are you going? I think it's time for a nap. What do you think? Do you think it's time for a nap? And again with the fingers.
Did you hear the camera? Is that why you're in here? Like, can you hear it recording? And so you had to come in and beg for attention?
Hi. Yeah. Jealous.
We also have this. I don't know how much longer I want this. She's kind of not that exciting anymore. All she does is yell and cry and spew gooey white shit. And then laughs about it. Because apparently it's hilarious.
Oh. That was a good burp.
See, she's working on making some come out right now. Yeah, see how hilarious it is? Only to her.
You getting tired? Yeah.
Oh, that totally wasn't a yawn just right now. Huh. That drool? Or this drool down here?
See then.
Oh. She ran out. Are we going to make contact again? Oh, almost.
It's a lot of drool. Oh.
See how funny it is when things come out of her mouth? She's hilarious. Don't look at the big pile of bills. Let's censor that out. Audrey, you eat that huge finger? Nah. Poke you in the nose. Nah. Poke you in the nose. Look at how tiny your baby is. Look at how big my finger is. I'm gonna put it in your mouth. That. Oh.